my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylah. I make scrunchies, bows and bags. I've been doing so for 12.5 years. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new desk. And when I say my new desk, it's technically Josh's. I have got this desk for Josh. We are moving in only a couple months time, and we've got our own like designated work offices. When 9am Home reached out to me if they wanted to collaborate again, I was like, yes, I am absolutely in love with my last desk from them, and I have very big plans for once we move where it's gonna go. At the moment, it doesn't get a lot of use because it's not in the spot. I have a very specific spot in the new house for it. I will quickly show you guys like sort of what my rooms are gonna look like. Okay, this is pretty much what the studio is gonna look like once we move. It is currently getting built as we speak. There is a frame, there's about to be a roof. There's a lot going on with this house build. We are expected to move in probably October. It may even be September, depending on if there's any delays. I am super excited, obviously. As you can see, the back room, that's going to be my craft studio. So I've got two big bay windows, like really large windows, because I wanted a lot of natural light in there. The pink is sliding doors, so I got a double sliding door here, so I can leave them open and like it's kind of like an L shape. I can just blow through sort of thing. This one's like just a normal single sliding door, and I got two massive linen cupboards. All up, there's about 39 square meters of space for me to run around. So I'm very excited. The desk in question though, that I already have, will be going in this room here, probably either here or maybe here. There's also a window on that wall, my bad, let's put that in. That one's just like a half window on this one. So my desk probably will go here, that I've already got. So I'm super excited, and I will 100% obviously be doing a like house tour once everything is in, like an empty house tour, but then I'm just going to do a craft room tour once I'm all set up, and I will be obviously showing you the desks once they're all set up. Josh's room is like right at the front, and he might even put it in the bedroom. We don't really know yet, but I will be opening up his desk and we'll be doing a his and hers comparison. And thank you 9am Home for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to be collaborating again. The desk that I currently have is literally my favorite desk ever. It is like my dream office desk. It's so pretty, it's got light, it's just beautiful. It's also very sturdy, and it also has a drawer, which I do love. And it's also a sit-stand desk, if I didn't mention that already, and that is the Dora Pro. And then I've got Josh a different one. So let's go have a look, let's go unbox, and let's set up this desk together. These are all the pieces to set up the new desk. This is the Dora Pro, which is what I currently have. This one's my desk, not for Josh. This one's mine. And if like you go close to it, it like turns on, has like lots of pretty lights under here. That one's on like rainbow at the moment, so you can change the colors. You can change it to all different colors. It also has like the lovely ambient light there. It just looks so pretty. I've also got lots of stuff on it at the moment. I haven't set it up yet, really. I haven't really like used it. I've only really used it as storage for now, just because it's not in the spot it needs to be. Once we move, this desk will be used all the time for editing videos and probably printing off labels and who knows what else. I'm really excited to like actually set it up properly. I want to get like a monitor for on here. So I'm gonna have like my laptop, because I was looking at getting a iMac or something, but they're really not that different to just a laptop. So I think I'm just gonna have a laptop with a big monitor, probably one of those curved ones, because how fun's that? I just plug it into my laptop. Now I've got like two screens at once, which I do like the idea of that. And then I was gonna like put some other extra things on it. Let me know in the comments, just give me some ideas. Like give me some ideas of what to have on the desk. Like I want it functional, but I also want it like cutesy. Because I was even thinking there's like 3D, I don't know what 3D printed, maybe, but like people have designed like really cute headphone holders that have like flowers and stuff. If you've seen those around, tag them below. Got any ideas, anyone to look up on Pinterest or Instagram where I can get some ideas of like really aesthetic desk looking things, let me know. But let's go open Josh's desk, which is super exciting. So for this one, I decided to go with, like obviously Josh chose it too, but I thought having like a darker one would be cool. So we've got black legs with a walnutty sort of top. So let's have a look. So this one is the Pesk Pro. We've got a few different boxes here. I don't really know what all the boxes are for just yet. I know that this one's the drawer, that's the legs. I don't know what this is though. Unfortunately, the lighting in my lounge is not ideal. Once we move, that will change, of course. But hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I do not have room in my craft rooms to be unboxing this massive desk. I'm just gonna speed this part up. How flash is that? I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't think I was actually even expecting real wood. That looks like real wood. I'm so used to like having, I guess, fake wood things. That looks so cool. The desk has now been assembled. It is a little bit bigger than this one in width. I actually wasn't expecting that, if I'll be honest. I thought it'd be like the same, like it's kind of skinny, but I kind of like it being so wide. It means you can put more stuff on it. It's very similar to this desk that I've already reviewed. So it does have the sit stand feature and you can preset it too. With this one, it's more like a touchscreen sort of vibe. I'll show you. With the Dora, it's actually touchscreen. Crazy amount of features on here. There's like so much stuff. But go watch my other review video if you want to see everything about that. But it has like this beautiful solid wood. I just feel like I don't see a lot of solid wood stuff anymore, so it is really nice to have like something that's solid wood. I did forget to put these in first. If you are setting this up, make sure that they are in. Like I'll have to take the drawer back out to fit them in, but that's Josh's problem, so I'm just going to keep them in there till we move. He might not even want them in there. Maybe he wants like the full, you know, range. Also a spot for your pens, which is really cool. But as for the tabletop, looks really neat and tidy. And I also really like the black legs. So both desks are super easy, obviously, to go up and down. I have preset this one to be that height. I'd probably preset this one to be a little bit taller, and that's easy enough to do as well. Like height preset. You can also have reminders and stuff. So I'd probably have it around the same height as this one. There you go. So I've just preset that one so it's a little bit taller now. I think the standing was pretty good though. The desk also is FAS grade black walnut solid wood with a gorgeous grain, durable and non-toxic, and uses a Bosch motor for smooth and stable lifting. I'm a big fan of sit-stand desks for many reasons. One being that I don't like sitting down for very long. So it is actually good for you to get up and stand for a while. You can also use them with like walking pads as well, like underneath the desk, which I've seen, which is really cool. They're great for relieving back pain, staying active, and just giving you a little bit more energy as well. You know, we all need. Yeah, I do like how versatile they are. Also, like this is probably very specific to me and my business. The sit stand desks have come in handy so much when putting stuff in my craft room. Like I have currently another sit stand desk in my craft room that I can move it to the exact height that I need it to be to sit underneath the lip of my big cutting table. So it's really versatile in that way. When we move, I'm going to be using another sit stand desk to be my table that I'm going to be packaging on. A lot of tables, like especially like desks and stuff, I remember when I first bought like a Kmart desk, like they were very short, like very, very short. And I was trying to cut on that. Like it really hurt my back. It was really painful for my back. So having a desk that you can adjust to be suitable is really good. And like, again, they don't have to be just used for like your typical laptops and like an actual like desk work. I've been using them for actual like cutting, or like, yeah, I will be using it for a packaging station as well. This one though will be going in my office just because I think it's just really nice and aesthetic and I love it so much. Yeah, they're super easy to go up and down. Both are really sturdy and just feel really high quality, especially like a solid wood. I wasn't expecting it to be, I don't know, I just wasn't expecting it to be solid wood if I'll be honest. Same with the Dora one. I love my Dora one. I like love the lights. I love the legs. Josh says he doesn't like the legs, but I love the legs. I think that's so cool. But yeah, you guys need to let me know which one you guys prefer, because I feel like this one is for a very specific vibe of person. I love the green legs. I think that is so cool, but you can get it in white, I believe. And same with this one, you can get it in a lighter wooden top with white legs. I think both look beautiful. It just really just depends on, I guess, your vibe and like what your house looks like, I suppose. Like in my craft rooms and my like office, this is gonna look just beautiful because I'm going like all white, very bright, light colors. In Josh's gym, obviously the mats are black, a lot of the equipment's black. This will blend right in. I think we've also got a little bit of this color wood in the house. I think it may be a little bit lighter, more like a walnut, like a light walnut, but that could also blend in nicely too with the actual aesthetics of the house. This one probably actually matches the house a little bit more than this one. Although we didn't go with black, but that's fine. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, I Am Home, for sending me this new desk. So this one is the Pesk Pro and this one is the Dora Pro. So excited to be moving. It should be like October sometime, I think. Once we move, I will definitely do like an updated like room tour and show you guys with them actually set up properly. But yeah, I really love the his and hers sort of like vibe with this. They're also super spacious. Like these are very large. This one is longer. This one's I think 1600, whereas this one's 1500 millimeters. But the actual width of them is quite different. I'll quickly show you. I wouldn't say way, but like it's for like 10 centimeters or so bigger, which I kind of think is a good thing. I think actually it's a good thing that it's so wide. You just fit more stuff on it without being too long. They do come in 3 different sizes as well for each, I think. Definitely this one, because I know we were looking at the smaller version, but we ended up going with the middle one. And I'm pretty sure this one is the biggest one you can get. There may be another 2 versions of this one. So if you do not have the space for a really big desk, they do have a smaller one. I believe it's around the 1200 millimeter mark. I think it goes 1200, 15 and 16, but it might be different for the 2 desks. Like, but yeah, it was similar ranges. If you'd like to go check out these desks for yourself, I'll link them down below. They are from 9am Home. Again, this one is the Dora Pro. This one is the Pesk Pro. I love them both. The lights really, really have a strong hold on me. Anyway, they both look so cool though, and I can't wait to see them all set up in the new house. I'm so excited. Thank you so much 9am Home for sponsoring this video and sending me both of these desks. I'm so appreciative. They are amazing. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.